Yeah, afternoon everyone. So today started off pretty good. I woke up first thing I did was I checked my YouTube and I now got 8 subscribers. So I was just really happy about that because obviously yesterday I had 6 and I just didn't get any more. The lady that said she couldn't subscribe because I didn't put my YouTube in the comments, I put it there, and she didn't even subscribe anyway. So I just had enough. I'm not really gonna ask her again. But anyway, yeah. So I got 2 subscribers. So thank you to one was Brian. Brian, a guy called Brian, subscribed to me. I don't even think he's from next door, but he still subscribed to me. But yeah, so I noticed I had some comments. One of them was from a woman called Lynn, and she said that it's wrong because I've made a YouTube and I've copied and posted some of the forum on Nextdoor. Surely that's wrong. So I replied back, said I didn't think about it and I thought it was public to use. Because I use a site called VetTZ and I only use like copyright free music, but I didn't know this forum was copyrighted. So I asked her, I said, who's the copyright person, or where can I find information? Send it to me, because obviously I don't want to get my videos taken down. Some of them, like the second one, took me a while with the videos and that. So she's replied back and said, every word you write, if they're your own words and not copied, they're automatically copyright to you. So Erica, what you're trying to tell me is that if I wanted to read like something out of the Daily Mail or the Sun, you're telling me that that's copyrighted, and then you're telling me to apologise and find something else to video about. Flowers in the field, birds in the sky. I don't wanna, first of all, I ain't done anything wrong, right? I've not done a damn thing wrong, and why would I want to talk about flowers and birds in the sky? There's a war outside. Have you not been watching the news? Have you not seen that the whole of the UK is basically up in flames? Like, we are basically ready for World War III. Do you know what as well? Because I was listening, I was overhearing someone talk, right? Talking about birds in the sky. Do you know how far Ukraine, right, has got into Russia? Like, I don't know the exact details of this, right? But what I do know is that Putin don't like his ego to be bruised, right? And he's a bit of a loose cracker, right? Ukraine has passed the line of no return. Like, they've actually gone deep into Russia. What do you think is gonna happen when Putin lets loose all those nuclear weapons? All those bombs? Because I don't think you understand what's actually going on. I think you've actually lost the plot a little bit. I don't mean to be rude, Erica, but it's definitely not time for videos about birds, right? So yeah, we're basically on the cusp of World War III, basically. And that's just the truth. We should be making videos to make people aware of actually what is going on. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, Hi Anthony, I say this with the best intention. People will subscribe if your content resonates with them. I took a quick look and noticed you have 3 videos on claiming universal credit. What are you going on about? 3 videos. I made 1 video, a how-to video, just to help people that... I'm getting angry now. I'm just annoyed, like, gosh. I made 1 video about how to claim, and that's it. I wasn't calling out anyone. Everyone's been calling out me. And I just responded to it. Asking people to subscribe won't get me their attention. Well, I got 2 subscribers today, so... And then focus on finding your niche. Who are you to tell me what my niche is? I found what I want to do, and this is it. Do you know what I mean? And I am going to stick to it. This is what I want to do. So, yeah. I don't think that comment's very nice, Matt. Erica, I don't think that comment was, like, needed. It don't make sense. And I don't agree, right? I do not agree. And I'm going to look into this copyright thing. I am. I'm going to ask my support worker, and I'm also going to look online for the copyright rules. And I'll be back with another video, actually, because I got an idea now. You give me an idea about a video what I'm going to do today. So, yeah. Alright, bye.